एकूच बायट जाय आशिल्ली ते काल एक TCPचे मॅटर कितें ते जाला कितें ODP जावपाना पणजेची तालिगांवची
मी सांगिल्लें की TCP जे परमिशन्स लागता त्या पणजे जाल्यार MLAच्या परमिशना शिवाय तुम्ही जावंक
No. I am saying what happened. As far as PDAs are concerned, there are members in the PDA. There is a board for PDA, and there is board whichever the area which comes under PDA in the jurisdiction of the PDA. Those MLAs basically are the members. Suppose as I'm Panjim MLA, I become member. Taligaon MLA is a member. Then Joshua is a member. Carlos is a member. Michael is a member. You know all the constituencies whichever basically ODP where ODPs are there. Their land is in, their area is into ODP, so they become members. Now they have been having no meetings whatsoever. Nothing has been discussed in the meetings. Because see, why they have made these members and who had made this, formulated this PDAs was formulated by our senior leader Pratap Singh Rani. He has basically formulated this PDAs and how the formation of the PDA that they only had. So here why it was members was there, a member was there, elected member was there. So basically if there is any objection he has got, or anything whatever is happening in this thing in his constituency, basically he knows of it. So that is the thing. Now here whatever PDAs have been thrown in the air, no meetings have basically been held. This is not only our PDAs. There are other two PDAs also. So this is not acceptable. We should know what is happening in our constituency. That is very clear. ODP, what about the ODP? ODP of Panjim has been pending for the past 4 years. To be finalized. There are objections, suggestions, everything has been scrutinized. Now it is only basically the details of change of zones and whatever is there that should be basically put on the map. That we are waiting for the past 4 years. Nothing has been happening. So if at least this ODP was in place, then there would have been no problem whatsoever. And here what has happened? Arbitrarily, these people change the zone at any given time. Now 4 years became that ODP is pending for finalization. Then what has happened? Those people who had put objections, suggestions, their thing has not been heard. But out of turn, whoever has come, those change of zone has been taken into consideration. So that is not acceptable. And as far as ODP is concerned, what you do in regional plan is not a problem. ODP is mostly, it is the minute details of the place, area, where road, where all the different infrastructure should come. That you cannot do arbitrarily. You cannot just one fine day I get up from my thing and I see 300 floor basically come on the side of it. And I don't even know. Being an MLA, I myself don't know what is that is. This issue basically was raised by other MLAs also.